and why do I look like this? Hold on. Other than that, welcome to Animal Hospital. Basically, the plan? Yes, and basically you're supposed to cure patients. You know what I mean? Like animal patients. And you're supposed to, I don't know what you're supposed to do actually. This is my first time playing. I'm just thinking by the name that you're supposed to cure patients. I don't know. Animal Hospital. Wait, will I be a furry for this? We're furry? Why are we furry? I'm waiting for visitors. Anyways, now that that's taken care of, perfectly fine. Now we shall wait. Ah, guys, come in. Why do you look like that? Oh, wait, all of them look like that. Never mind. Oh, sorry. Rocky Wackman. I want to check in as a patient. Okay. Let me take a picture of you. Yeah, that's normal. Yeah, it's just a normal picture of you. Where's your print? Okay. Here you go. Oh, we have to go to room 1. Where's the room? Oh. I need some gloves. Give me the gloves. Come on in. Oh, dang it. I tried. Alright. Oh, sorry. My first day here, man. Never been I've never been a doctor before. Alright, let's see what you got. Stomachache. What do you need? Herbs. You need herbs. Is this herbs? This is herbs. Here you go. You're all better. Oh, wait, somebody's ringing the bell. I'm coming. Ooh. I'll take it. Oh, yeah, you're normal. I can register you. Here you go. Thanks, I will be in room 2. I was gonna say I thought he was gonna be in room 1, but I guess he's in room 2. Has that guy left yet? Yes. So it does not hurt that bad. Miss, can't read that. Sarah? What is this? I don't have my glasses on. And yes, I do use glasses. Dried eyes. Yeah, I would have something like that. Hydra. Let's just get everything. Yeah. There you go. And here you go, take the soup. The what is arriving? Wait, but I thought I was the only doctor here. Who's this? You must be the new hire. I'm Dr. Harlow. Hi, Dr. Harlow. Some advice. If things get strange, just keep working. Okay. I'll fix up the shutters and security cameras for you. Oh! Goodbye. Two patients treated. 000. Excellent. The security camera though. Best. Hey, sir. Hey, don't do that. Can you leave? Ah! Can you leave? Sorry about that. Are you leaving? Yeah, you're leaving. Gotta do all of this. Oh, hell no! I just took care of an anomaly. I think I got that off camera. Whoops. I just want to shoot this thing in the head. Don't take that seriously. Hey, I meant in the game. I wish I had a gun. Whatever. You know what I mean. Yeah, you good. Come on, come on. Somebody else is... Ew! Did he just take a shit? That's disgusting. Hello, sir. Anything wrong with you? No. I know I have a patient to treat, but I have to do this guy too. Come here. I'm turning something on in the back. Cough. That's new. Cough. Call some medicine. There you go. Now get the hell out. Let me treat my other patient. Okay, don't look up. It's lesson learned. Don't look up. Huh. It's just too short. I can't look up. I can't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. Just don't look up. Just don't look up. Fever and a flu. You're in the thermo and a cough. Okay. Don't look up. Don't look up. Don't look up. Donut, look up. You speed up a bit. Yes, I'm coming. I'm coming. Get your normal. This job sucks. I don't want to be here. Do you know that? I don't want to be here. Patient. What are you doing on my floor? Never do that again. Anything weird with this room? Nope. Get in the bed. Take DNA. There's that window, man. Because the others didn't have that window. I'll put some TV in the back. Headache?
Okay, goodbye.
The doctor's working. Again? Yes, what do you want? I'm opening new facilities for you. The supply shop will be open for a limited time each shift. I forgot about the security cameras. I also gotta check this. One anomaly prevented. 30 patients. Ah! What the? Here. I pissed on him. I pissed on him. I pissed on him. Here. And I'll put some ointment on you. I need ointment. Come on. Ew. How'd you just start going on fire? I will be in room 4. Anyone else coming in? Yeah, let me do this real quick. Yay. I'm here for my appointment. You're normal. Never mind. Sorry. I hate this job. What do you have? Headache. Canadian. You're Canadian? I don't know what that was. I'm not going in there. I'm not doing that. There's a little fella under the bed. A little fella. Dried eyes, Canadian bleeding. Bandages, maple, and eye drops. Bandages, maple, and eye drops. Maple. Bandages. Yo. I think I have to be caught, do I? No, you can just stay there. It's not like I'm gonna be caught or anything. Like, totally not. At all. At all. Is this guy leaving? Frick you, little fella. I forgot about you. Are you leaving? Better be. I'm coming. The way you're smiling is already making me want to kill you. Yep. Goodbye. It's just the way you smiled. I mean, I didn't like it. You smiled at me in a weird way. Get him out. You also look pretty rude. Dustin Walkman. Dustin for chicken things? What's checking as a patient? Where are you? Okay. Patient on fire? Oh, hell no. Why are you on fire? When can I get a gun? Just when? I've gotten 2 patients today that look the exact same that got set on fire. Room 4. Any weird things? It's not like I'm gonna die in this thing. I'm the main character. Of course I'm not gonna die. I'm not gonna die in here. And again, main character. I would never. You're fine. Weird little fella. Low sugar, fever, dried eyes. Some maple, ammo, and eye drops. Thermal, maple, and eye drops. Yep, maple. Shut up. Wait a minute, what? Where's he? Oh. Forgot room 6 was in here. What the hell is this? We get an X-ray.
Real-time location sharing with Life 360.
Oh! Oh, damn!
Get more control with great tires at great prices. Firestone Complete Auto Care.
No magic is strong.
It's memorizing games. I hate that. I need a medkit, thermo, and maple. Medikit, thermo, and maple. Well, you're getting healed up. That was something new, so. More patience. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. I was foreshadowing my death earlier, but I didn't know it would actually be true. Wait, if I stand here. You're ugly. How did I get that? How did I mess that up? Get out. Wait, can I see inside their map? Oh my god. I can see if they're an anomaly or not. I just got the best idea. This video is already too long. I might end it soon. But yeah, they do see one too. My sanity is 1%. I'm cooked. This one is. Oh my god. Tell me if you want me to play this again. My sanity ran out. Tell me if you want me to play this again, because this was really fun, and I want to play with viewers. So if you guys want to play this with me, I will just link your username in the comments. I will make another video about playing with you guys. So yeah, bye.